Welcome to Motor Max, where we dive into the heart of iconic motorcycles and the legends behind them. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Harley Davidson's most celebrated models, the 2025 Harley Davidson WL. This modern take on a classic has garnered attention from both vintage bike enthusiasts and new riders alike. So, let's get into the details and explore what makes the 2025 Harley Davidson WL so special. A nod to the past. The 2025 Harley Davidson WL is a beautiful blend of tradition and modern innovation. Paying homage to the legendary Harley Davidson WL from the 1940s, the 2025 model brings back the style, character, and iconic design that made the WL famous, while integrating contemporary technology and performance. The WL was originally designed for military use during World War II, and its rugged build and reliability earned it a place in Harley's history. Now, the 2025 WL offers a fresh interpretation of that legacy, appealing to riders who crave both history and cutting-edge features. Design and styling. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2025 Harley Davidson WL is its retro aesthetic, reminiscent of the original design, but with modern twists. The frame is a throwback to Harley's classic style, featuring clean lines, rounded curves, and a minimalist approach that makes it stand out from the rest of today's motorcycles. The matte black and chrome finish options maintain the classic vibe, while the bold color schemes offer a touch of personalization. The fuel tank, with its vintage shape and signature Harley Davidson badges, is a true tribute to the 1940s models. The minimalist seat design also keeps the classic look intact, offering a comfortable yet stripped-down experience. The bike's attention to detail in every element, from the wheels to the exhaust, reflects Harley's commitment to preserving its legacy while delivering a ride that's as enjoyable as it is stylish. Performance and power. While the 2025 WL is an ode to Harley Davidson's past, it's not lacking in modern performance. This bike is powered by a 1,200 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, tuned for both city cruising and highway performance. It delivers impressive torque, ensuring that riders experience the power and smoothness that Harley Davidson engines are known for. The 2025 WL is designed to provide the perfect balance of performance and reliability. The bike's suspension system has been modernized to improve comfort and handling, with adjustable front forks and twin rear shocks. This upgrade allows riders to tackle a variety of road conditions with ease, making the 2025 WL suitable for both long-distance rides and shorter, more dynamic trips. The 6-speed transmission offers seamless shifting, ensuring that the bike remains agile and responsive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the open road. Technology and features. In terms of technology, the 2025 Harley Davidson WL embraces the best of modern advancements while maintaining the classic vibe. The bike is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, allowing riders to connect their smartphones, access navigation, and control music seamlessly while on the go. The digital dashboard is minimal but functional, providing essential information such as speed, fuel level, and engine temperature with a clean and easy-to-read interface. The modernized LED lighting system enhances visibility and adds to the overall sleek look of the bike. Additionally, the 2025 WL comes with advanced safety features such as ABS, anti-lock braking system, and traction control, ensuring that riders can enjoy the thrill of the ride without compromising on safety. Comfort and ergonomics. Harley Davidson has always been known for creating bikes that offer comfort for long rides, and the 2025 WL is no exception. The ergonomics of the bike have been designed with the rider's comfort in mind. The handlebars provide an easy reach, and the foot controls are positioned perfectly to reduce strain during longer rides. The seat, while minimalist in design, offers adequate cushioning for hours of comfortable riding, especially when paired with the bike's smooth suspension system. For those concerned about long-distance travel, the 2025 WL features an upgraded fuel tank capacity, allowing for extended trips without constant stops for refueling. The bike's riding position offers just the right balance of relaxed and engaged posture, ensuring that whether you're cruising or cornering, the bike feels like an extension of you. Pricing and availability. As with any Harley Davidson, the price of the 2025 WL reflects its craftsmanship, performance, and iconic status. Expected to be in the mid to high range of the Harley Davidson lineup, it offers value for those seeking a combination of modern technology, heritage styling, and pure riding pleasure. Pricing will vary depending on the region and the specific customizations chosen, but Harley's reputation for producing premium motorcycles means that it's an investment in quality and timeless style. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson WL is a bike that manages to do something rare. It captures the essence of Harley's rich history while pushing the boundaries of what a modern motorcycle can be. With its stunning retro design, powerful engine, cutting-edge features, and unmatched Harley-Davidson comfort, the WL is sure to become a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts old and new. Whether you're a longtime Harley fan or a newcomer to the brand, the 2025 WL offers an experience that's both nostalgic and thrilling. That's it for today's review. If you're as excited as we are about the 2025 Harley Davidson WL, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews and updates right here on MotorMax. Thanks for watching, and ride safely.